This is section 11.5. We're going to be doing probabilities with permutations and probabilities with combinations. 5 groups agree to randomly select the order of performance. Order matters. It's going to be a permutation. By picking cards out of a hat, one at a time. What is the probability? Probability, you're going to have a number on the top, you're going to have a number on the bottom, of the Rolling Stones performing fourth and the Beatles last. Alright, so remember when we do probability, it's the number of ways we get what we want, what we're looking for, in this case Rolling Stones fourth and Beatles last, out of the total number of ways to line these people up. So what we want 2, 3, 4, 5. We want the Rolling Stones to be fourth and the Beatles last, which will give us 3 bands that could possibly play first, and then 2, and then 1. That's the number of ways we can have the Rolling Stones fourth and the Beatles last. Out of the total number of ways to pick an order, so 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 bands. Remember, for the total, we disregard whatever it says at the last, where it says the Rolling Stones have to be fourth and the Beatles last. So this is a total number of ways, regardless of which goes where. So we've got 5, then 4 bands, then 3, then 2, then 1. So if you multiply 3 times 2, you get 6. Actually, you know what? Let's simplify first here, because these are all getting multiplied together. So the 3 will cancel with the 3, and the 2 will cancel with the 2. So on the top, we've got 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. And on the bottom, we've got 5 times 4, which is 20. So the probability of the Rolling Stones fourth and the Beatles last is 1 over 20. Florida's lottery game, called Lotto, is set up so that each player chooses 6 different numbers from 1 through 53. Now with lottery games, it doesn't matter the order in which the numbers are picked. As long as you have those 6 numbers, you win. With one lotto ticket, what is the probability of winning this prize? So, number of ways to get what we want, out of number of ways total, we can choose 6 numbers. Alright, so since the order does not matter, this will be a combination problem. And if we look at what we want, we're only using one lottery ticket. So, since there's only one lottery ticket, there's only one way to get one lottery ticket out of total number of ways. So we've got 53 numbers, and we are choosing 6 numbers. So 1 over. Remember, 53 choose 6. With the combinations formula, we have the 53 factorial, that's the large number, and on the bottom we have the 53 subtract 6 factorial, and then the small number factorial as well. So if we simplify that, 1 on top and on the bottom. So 53 factorial. If we subtract the 53 and the 6, we get 47 factorial, 6 factorial. Remember the number on top? I'm talking about this top now. We write that as 53 times 52 times 51, all the way down to 47 factorial. So 53, 52, 51. I don't know if I'm going to have enough room. 49, 48, 47 factorial. And then on the bottom, we've got 47 factorial. And the 6 factorial you have to actually write out. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cancel your 47 factorials. The 6 goes into 48 8 times. The 4 goes into the 8 2 times. The 2 goes into the 2 once. Let's see, 3, let's do 5 into 50 10 times. And 3 goes into 51 17 times. So once you get done canceling, you have 53 times 52 times 49 times 17 times 10. So, which will give you 22,957,480. So one lottery ticket out of 22 million total possible lottery tickets, and this is your probability of winning the lottery. A club consists of 5 men and 7 women. 3 members are selected to attend a conference. Doesn't matter the order in which we select the people, so this is going to be a combination. Find the probability. Probability, we need a number on top, what we want, out of the total. Find the probability that the selected group consists of 3 men. So, how many men do we have to select from? We've got 5 men, and we're choosing 3 of them. That's what we want. And there's 12 club members, and we're choosing 3 to go to the conference. You would figure out what 5 choose 3 is. So 5 factorial, 5 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. You would simplify that number. And then on the bottom, we have 12 factorial, 12 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. You'd simplify that number, which will give us, so 10 on top and the 220 on the bottom. And we do reduce that, so the probability is 1 out of 22. Your homework is 1 through 12.